choose the type tool, type out your name, find a font that you like. I like to use the one that is called Felt, Marker Felt Wide. You can choose whatever one you want. Then you're going to resize it so it is a larger size so you can see it pretty easily. I'm going to change the color of this. You can see I set it to the default white fill black stroke. I'm going to change this, let's say, to red. I have that nice red. What I would like to do now is duplicate this. So I'm going to hold the Alt key or Option, and I'm going to drag, and you can see it makes it, if I drag over to the right a little, it gives it this 3D effect. It doesn't quite look right, so what I would like to do, I'm going to drag the top one out of the way. I'm going to select the bottom one, and I'm going to change the color to a lighter blue. Then I'm going to move the top layer up in front. And you can see it gives us this nice 3D effect. It still doesn't quite look right, so I'm going to select both the front and the back text. I'm going to go up to Object. I'm going on the menu. I'm going to go down to Blend. I'm going to choose Blend Options. I can either do Smooth Color or Specified Steps. I'm going to start off by trying Smooth Color. I click OK. Then I go up to Object. I go down to Blend, Make. And you can see it has kind of this blend of the different colors. I'm going to undo that, Edit, Undo Make Blend, Object. I'm going to redo it this time, but this time I'm going to choose my blend options, and because they are close together, I'm going to change it to steps. I'm going to give it a higher number like 8. Now if I blend these two, so I select both the front and the background text, I go up to Object, and I'm going to choose Blend, Make, and there you can see it's blended the two colors together. If you're wondering where the black came from, let me undo. The black came from the stroke of the background. So if I swap the fill and the stroke, and I bring this forward again, if I select both the front and the back text, I go up to Object, Blend, Make, you can see now it has that blue background.